When Mr. Senior Felder founded his company, he quickly realized that in the middle of the Alps, space is precious, and soon he led the company to become world famous for its combination machines. Nowadays, our scope is the world. Therefore, it was crucial to evolve the machine range over the past 60 years. Today, high-end edge benders, CNCs, beam saws and a lot more is part of the FELDER-GROUP product range. To better share these developments, our vision, and to let customers appreciate the quality, we regularly hold events called Technology Days.
There is a lot of flexibility that's added into the machines, whether it is a panel saw or the C-X press. We are able to do multiple jobs or different types of functions which a lot of other companies do not provide.
Felder, in one word, I'll say excellent. Excellent in terms of service, in terms of machine quality. So, moment I have some problem with machine, I just call to Felder service in Mumbai with Felder agent. So they give us very good service, send the people on time, send the parts on time. So I'm totally satisfied with Felder.
Felder is known for their quality. The most important part is quality and the service which we get from Felder. The service and the build quality of the machines are excellent. Service on call, we have never faced any issues with the service part. Service is excellent.